Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to create a Facebook campaign, okay, how to create that ad set, and also how to create that first ad so that you can start running, maybe to start getting the page likes. Okay, so for the first step that you need to do is just again go to business.facebook.com, and once you do that you can see all the business manager accounts what you would be having. So this is the one that we just created right now. It's Shriram Business. Okay, and I have two more that I created before. So let me actually go to Shriram Benu's business and show you from there. Okay, so let it load, and let me just go to, once you go there, just click on Ads Manager. Okay, so once you do that, just click on the top drop down there and see if you have selected the right ad account. Okay, so I have multiple ad account. Now I'm actually going to show you with my different ad account than what I just created in the previous video. So I'm going to take example of A2C Arts and Crafts ad account, and I'm going to show you how to create a campaign and start running the ad. Okay, so let me just select this. So first let me show you the result of the ad that I had run. So this is the campaign that was run. This was run for roughly around 5 days, and you could see that this has generated over 8,000 plus page likes at an average cost of around 0.98 per like. So that's less than a rupee. See, this cost would depend upon a couple of factors, maybe the content of the Facebook page or what exact niche the page is in. So if it is widely searched by a lot of people, then you might be able to get it at a much lesser price. But if it is a specific niche, then you might see a little bit higher price also on this. Okay, so make sure you are going to watch till the end, because I have given complete details on how to create an effective ad so that you get the best results out of it. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, then please do hit that subscribe button and bell notification so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. Let's continue. So you can see here campaigns, ad set, and ads. Okay, so one campaign can have multiple ad sets, and one ad set can have multiple ads as well. Okay, so that's how it's going to happen. So it's like a campaign is the topmost level, and then within campaign you can have multiple ad sets, and within multiple ad sets you can have multiple ads. So let me just start creating the first campaign. Let me just click on create. So once you click on create, it's going to ask what is the purpose or what is the objective of this. Okay, so you have multiple options here, like creating the awareness, brand awareness, or consideration like traffic, engagement, or something like that, or conversion. Okay, that means, okay, you want the conversions to happen, maybe like catalog sales or store traffic or whatever it could be. Now since we are going to run this campaign to get page likes, so I'm going to select as engagement. Okay, so once you select as engagement, you can see multiple options here. Okay, so it has post engagement, page likes, and event response. So I am looking for page likes. So let me just select as page likes, and then just click on continue. Okay, so now the campaign has been created, and you can see within the campaign there is always one ad set that will be created and one ad that will be created. So let's name this campaign. So I'm going to name this as so I entered the campaign name as A2C Jan. Okay, so special ad category, no, this is not a special ad category. Campaign detail, buying type is auction. So let's just continue. Campaign objective, page likes. So that's what we are looking here. Campaign spend limit. Now if you want to set a limit for this particular campaign, then you can actually mention here. And one other thing is, if you are going to select as campaign budget optimization, then you don't have to mention there. So in this case, I am going to select as campaign budget optimization, where like Facebook is going to decide how exactly it needs to spend. Say for example, you have multiple ad sets. Based on which ad set is performing really good, Facebook is going to distribute the amount to that particular ad set slightly higher, so that you get a lot more better results. Okay, so A/B test, I'm just going to leave that right now. Campaign budget optimization, I'm going to select it as on, and here it has two options. One is daily budget, or you can also set a lifetime budget. Now if you want to have more control on the spend, okay, daily control, then go for daily budget. Say for example, okay, in the beginning you just want to start with maybe 100 rupees or 500 rupees. Okay, in that way you can just go for daily budget. Now, if you want to, if you think that, okay, maybe for next 2 months, I want to spend this much amount on this particular ad, in that case, you can just go ahead and set a lifetime budget. Okay. So in this case, let me just set as a lifetime budget as 1 lakh. Okay. So that's unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh. And as I said, if you want to set it for daily, that's a lot more better. If you're just starting with ads, go with setting a daily budget of maybe 500 or 1000 or 5000, whichever is suitable for you. And again, the campaign bid strategy will be lowest cost. Ad scheduling run all the time. So with that, let's just continue as next. Continue next. So now we have created the campaign. Now this detail, whatever you see, you are seeing called as ad set. Okay, let me just quickly name it this as A2C ad set 1. So that's what I am going to name this. Okay. So what is the target? Choose the Facebook page you want to promote. So let me just quickly click on the drop down and Facebook page. So where is the Facebook page? So let me just quickly see that. Okay, so it's A2C arts and crafts. So let me just quickly select that. So this is the page what I want to promote. Okay, so choose the Facebook page you want to promote. So A2C arts and crafts, budget and schedule. So when do you actually want to start this? Okay, and when do you actually want to end this? So I'm going to start immediately. Say for example, it's 21st Jan. Okay, so that's what I'm going to give, and I'm going to end it in 2 months. So that's what I'm going to set it right now. So see more options. Ad set spend limit optional. Okay, so that's fine. Audience. Now this is one of the most important thing which is really needed for you to get the right likes to your page. Now since this is since here I'm just looking for page likes, I really don't want to go really deep in finding those things, but I am going to tell you how exactly I'm going to do that. Okay, so create new audience. I really don't want to exclude anyone. For now, I'm just going to consider the location as India. Then probably later I'm going to focus on other regions. Age, I'm just going to leave it as 18 to 65. So you can see here with this criteria, it is saying that, okay, it's roughly around, so it's 29 crore is the people which this ad can reach is what it is saying, right? All demographics, interest and behavior. Let me just click on this. So here we can actually start selecting the interest. So let's target based on the interest. So let me just search as crafts. Okay. So there are people with craft interest. I'm going to select them, which is under hobbies. Then let me select as DIY. Let me say do it yourself. There are a lot of people with that interest. Let's see some more. So suggestions is something based on whatever you would have just selected, couple of them. Based on that, it is going to give a lot of options. So this is the best way for you to identify the interest based audience. Okay. Decorative arts. So that's what I want to select. Now let me select more suggestions. So one other thing that you can also do is like you can just click on hobbies and activities. Once you do that, you can see hobbies and activities. So it's going to show you all the arts and music and things like that, travel, home, gardening, right? So just click on that. So acting, craft is what we selected, drawing, drums, fine art, guitar. Maybe like people who are interested in drawing may also like this. Okay. So if I just scroll down, so that's how like you can actually see the different select the different demographics or the people interest, and once you do that, you can just click on next and you should be able to do that. So one other thing, one other most important thing here, okay, reach people beyond your detailed targeting selection when it's likely to improve the performance. In this case, I want to select as yes. That means, so Facebook is going to decide if based on some criteria of Facebook's its own algorithm and things like that, if they feel that okay, they can give better results, if you select this, they are going to apply that. If not, they are just going to go with whatever you have selected. Now connections, excluded connections, so just click on edit and select the right page here. So let me just cancel this and select the page. Okay, A to C, arts and crafts. So exclude people who like your page. So these are the people who have already liked it, so I don't want this to be again showed to them. Okay, so this is one of the most important things, so that you don't unnecessarily spend on that. And once you do that, you can just click on save this audience. So I'll say it's A to C arts and crafts, interest based targeting. Okay, so that's what I'll do, and just I'll click on save. Okay, so once you do that, just move to the next one. So you can see like let me just quickly take you back and show you how many potential people this could reach. Okay, let me just go back. Sorry. So it's saying it can reach up to 29 crore people is what it is saying, based on the criteria whatever we have set. Okay, with that, let's continue. So now comes the ad. Okay, it's always advised that okay, you have at least 2 different ads, so that you can identify which one is actually performing better. And while creating the ad, one of the most important thing that you need to remember is video ads perform much better than the images. Okay, and while you're creating a video ad, make sure the video is not more than if it is around 30 seconds, it's great, and don't go beyond 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, especially if you're looking for page likes, 30 seconds would be a very optimal one. Okay, and the ratio should be either 1:1, that is square, or it should be 4:5. Those are the 2 dimensions which are preferred for Facebook ads. Okay, now let me just say this as A to C ad 1. Okay, so that's what I'm going to call this, and I'll say, so I have given the ad name as A to C ad 1 DC motor. So let me just quickly scroll down. So in ad creative, so this is where actually you can add the video or the images that you are actually going to show as the ad. Okay, so let me just quickly click on add media, and it says you can either add as image or add video. Let me just click on add video, and once you do that, it says upload, select video. So let me just click on upload, and I have already created 2 videos for that. So let me just quickly select them one by one. Okay, so it's getting uploaded. So in the meantime, let's add primary text. The text is nothing but the text which is actually going to appear above your video. Okay, so let me just quickly do that. So I have already written it so that it's easy to show. So I'm going to say on A to C arts and crafts page, you see you can see simple at creating creative videos every day. Okay, check out our page for more DIY projects. So that's what I have mentioned. And one practice that you need to make sure is that your text is always less than 125 characters. So having less than 125 characters is much advised if you're going for page likes or something like that. So that the complete text is going to be shown on the top. If not, they'll be seeing like, okay, click to see more or something like that. Let me just show you how it would appear if I paste more here. Okay, so you can see, okay, it's too much, and okay, it says as see more. So we really don't need that. So let's just give 125 characters. So much better for a page like whatever we are going to run right now. And you also have something called as add options. That means, so you can have up to 5 primary text options. So let me tell you what exactly is that. So this is nothing but say for example, okay, based on the text whatever you are adding. Now say for example, I'm just going to add 3 text right now. Now when Facebook starts showing the ad, okay, so whichever text is going to get better performance, Facebook starts showing that more. Okay, so we have 3 options here. whichever text is going to perform better on that ad, it starts showing more. That's what this primary text options what we have. So you can add up to 5. Okay, so this is done right now. It was arts and crafts page like, that's there, and let's come down tracking. I don't want to do anything. So that's how we actually create the complete ad. Now I really want to see by running 2 ads. Okay, so I'll just going to click on this and I'm going to make it as duplicate. So what it is going to do is it is going to create one more ad, okay, with the exact same details of the other one. So I'm just going to click on duplicate. Now you could see there will be one more ad that will be created right below that. So you can see that's created. So I'm going to name this as a A2C ad. So this is actually going to be a DC motor one. Okay, so let me just select a video for this. Okay, so I'm going to say as change video, and it says upload, and I'm going to select the video for this. So let it just upload. Once you are done with this, you are all set to hit that publish button. The moment you hit that publish button, it is going to go for Facebook review. So let me just quickly hit that publish. So that's how you actually create a campaign to get page likes. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are not already done, so that you're going to see a lot more videos. And in the coming videos, I'm also going to show you how you can actually start creating a campaign for getting the leads, and also how you can create a campaign for getting those sales conversions as well. Okay, so see you in the next video. So now you could see that it's showing it's in review. So probably within around I think sometimes it may take 3 to 4 hours, or sometimes it may take up to 24 hours for the ad to be approved. Okay, so wait for it, and the moment it gets approved, you automatically start seeing that okay, ads are being played, and you start seeing the page likes as well. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Just click on the info link at the top so that you can also watch the video on how to understand the analytics, so that you can better create ads to get better results. See you in the next video.